Just on the IA.
In my humble submission,
After-
I'm advocating for the
after-
board.
Mr. Chatterjee, just 1 minute. Let me just make a submission,
What
please.
we'll do is we'll
Yes,
post
Lordship
all of
will
the
consider
calamity.
Lordship will consider.
We'll take it
May,
up
may I
together.
make the may I make the submission for a minute, Manoj, if I may be permitted? I don't think it needs to be.
One Mr.
interrupted on this.
Venkata, Mr. Gopal, just wait.
By a previous order, lordships have directed in these batch of matters, your lordships, that there should be a merit list which should be brought before this court of persons who are claiming to be qualified and the persons whom the board is claiming to be qualified. They have now got only a merit list with regard to persons who they consider qualified.
Why?
That is
After the Supreme Court judgment of 28th November 23.
where lordships have then notified
Exactly.
on their petition. In review petition, lordships have given the relief. Unfortunately, the board is not following the relief that has been
No,
given.
no. We have followed it in letter.
Manoj, can I have a minute? After all, it's my
Lordships
application
have
which
to
is listed.
listen. In the meanwhile, let them bring out a
First
separate.
of all, just let us see it's coming before us for the first time.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes,
We
if you,
We haven't
Manoj,
had
from the cause list and the office report, it's my IA which is listed. Just give me a minute, please.
1 minute, Mr. Venkata.
Yes.
तो ये लगता है only one is listed today, is it?
4.1 is
Yes,
a different
Manoj.
matter altogether.
Yes.
In that,
It is 7319 is listed today.
4 and 4.1 are different.
Okay, all right. What we propose to do is post all these matters together and hear it.
So can I say something? I'm
Yes,
just
tell
saying
us.
that your
1 minute.
lordships.
Yes,
Yes.
tell us what do you want.
Yeah, it's this, Manoj. The DLED, whether it is a qualification for in-service teachers, was a question that came before this court. This
Yeah.
court delivered a judgment and then clarified that judgment in December 2024, on 10th December 2024. They said that those who were teachers who were in service and who have completed the DL-ED 18 months correspondence course from the NIOS, it's a valid qualification for them to participate in any teacher recruitment. That has been clarified further and implemented by your lordship's order of 20th December 2024. Just see these two orders in IA 7319 of 25.
So, okay, now
in
today
item-
what is to be done? Because today
I
we
just
have
want the
transfer
same
petition.
order that your lordships have passed on 20th December to be replicated today for these DLED teachers for West Bengal. It's
So
been
it
done
cannot
for
be
one
done
other
without
state on
application.
20th. Just allow me to complete, please.
All right, Mr. We will hear
I-
you. We'll just put it up.
I'm just saying the same order which is at page 59 of this IA. Please
That is
grant
being
me that
opposed,
same order
Mr.
for this state.
Gopal Venkata.
I'll tell you, Lordship, why I am opposed.
This is being opposed. We will hear all of you and then do it.
Lordships
Extend the validity of the list.
today because your
No,
lordships
are there other transfer petitions also pending?
No, there is no.
What
There
is this?
is item 4 and there is 5. 5 is a different issue which we've since taken up. So there is no other transfer.
There are no transfer.
Look, I found
I brought
I find Milord, that there is an application by somebody saying that it should not be there.
Well,
Okay.
there are different groups, your lordships. Here there
that
are
We have before us only 2 petitions.
different IAs which have been filed because there are some matters which are still pending in the High Courts, your lordship.
Actually, what has happened is, Milord, when this matter was first moved, it was indicated to the court that it is the same point. So they were tagged. But Milord, now
It is the same point.
that was an ex parte order. Now, Milord, the parties are saying it should not be there.
No. Nobody is saying that. It's the same point.
No, there is.
Bihar and UP are in the transfer petition. Bengal is the
Mr.
connected.
Shankaran, there is an application to that effect.
There's the same advertisement. Therefore, it should be tagged.
No, it's not the same.
But what is the difficulty in having if the judgment of this court as clarified by 20th December 23
Yes, your
has
lordship.
attained finality,
Not,
then the High Court will follow that and then dispose it.
no, Milord.
Lordships,
Why
unfortunately.
transfer petitions?
Unfortunately,
But
because
in-
the board is not.
Bengal is not a transfer petition. It's an SLP. Bengal is an SLP, Milord.
Not a transfer petition.
It's
And
an
what about-
SLP. It's an SLP arising out of a judgment delivered prior to the clarification. Therefore, it relied on the principal judgment, and we are in challenge
Okay,
against
you are
that.
right. At least
Yes.
4 is, at least item number 4 is a TP.
Four is a-
4.1.
But then we don't need to, if was only notice issue, transfer petition are not allowed.
No, the transfer petition is not allowed as such. No, in fact, the transfer petition is not listed today. Only the I.
But so all of you are not in agreement with the issue that the matter is covered by the judgment.
Your Lordship,
Yes,
so
I
the
did.
No, we are,
What is
I am appealing for it.
a category?
Milord, in order to be covered, Milord, the parties must be in the same status. Now, it hasn't been adjudicated because this, what happened
Where
was,
are the remaining TPs pending? Which court are they pending?
There is no other.
I don't know, Milord, they are for different states. Milord.
Yeah, no, I can clarify because I filed those TPs. There is only one more TP, which is item number 5 listed today. There is no other matter. Item number 5 also, there is an IA file, which is the only argument. There is no other TP that is pending. There is no other issue that
We
is.
have to.
There are only these 3 matters that are pending.
Can we not know? There are only 2 matters. Who are appearing? One is
Three matters.
Gopal. Gopal is
One
appearing.
is the appeal.
I'm appearing for the petitioners.
They are in 4.1.
Come on Friday,
Very well.
make a list of how many these 3 matters and how.
We'll do that. We'll do that.
Points of commonality and distinction. We will hear them
Yes.
and then we'll
Very
discuss.
well.
Yes.
And your Lordship's
We'll
the
do that.
Uttarakhand matter will have to
No,
be
I-
dealt with separately
That's
and
next.
West
I didn't see
Bengal.
because we thought it's a transfer petition to be posted along with that. We didn't really apply our mind.
Yes,
Yes,
the
the
So
Lordship.
come on Friday, we will
Very
have a
well.
look.
But the validity
come on
of the
Friday.
panel has to be extended. Manoj. Validity of the panel. Manoj.
We'll
That's all.
see. Come on Friday.
Your Lordships, there are 2 things. One is with regard to impediment applications, because these are also people who are also in high courts. And if they don't come before your Lordship, then there's this whole thing of relief to be given to petitioners or not. So impediment applications are before your Lordship.
Milord, there is a severe, Milord, there is a serious difficulty as far as the implements are.
Apply to them, let notice be issued on them.
Milord, more than 300 suddenly popped up and said they want to be active.
Have to.
There seems to be a shortcut in that.
That's
We will see that.
before your
Come on
Lordship.
Friday, we will see.
Yes, Milord.
We can
Very well.
legitimately, if it covers the whole issues, we can give a shortcut, we will.
Yes.
Or else we will relegate you back to the High Court High Court judgment will be a binding precedent. We will see,
Yes.
come on Friday.
SLP is something that is, the impugned judgment in the SLP is something which will bind all of us. Therefore, Lordships is required to go through that.
We'll see it. It's
Yes.
Friday.
Grateful.
Grateful, Manoj.
Lordships, and meanwhile, if Lordships issues notices on the impediment, they can give their response where we stand. Because they have a
Come on Friday, we will see.